Let's take a look at the RFID Starter Kit for Arduino Uno R3. This is a really cool educational kit where you can start learning some basic programming and electronics. The kit contains a 4-digit display and a 1-digit display here. We have a breadboard. Here we have some click buttons. And yeah, I believe this is a stepper motor driver. Looks like it. Oh, if we take a look inside, here we have the Arduino board. This is the Arduino Uno. It's a cool little board, really easy to attach sensors to it. You got the USB and you got the power, and yeah, quite a few pinouts, both analog and digital. Got some cables, USB cable to connect the Arduino to your computer. Here we have a stepper motor, probably goes well together with the stepper motor driver here. We got a joystick, it's both clickable and movable. Here we have what to say? Ah, it looks like an infrared. Yeah, that's an infrared. We got an LCD. We got some resistors and some buttons. Looks like we have some buzzers, potentiometer, some LED lights. This is a remote, probably for some LED lights. Cable to connect the 9-volt battery. Humidity and temperature sensor. This is a moist meter to check how much moist you have. Brings back a value. If you stick it into some dirt, for example. You get some cables to do some pinouts from the breadboard to different sensors. Easy connection. There is a servo, a little one. I think it's the 9-gram one. Standard servo. We got a relay. This looks just like an LED. I'm not quite sure what this is actually. It looks like it takes a big battery. Need to check that up. Then we have a sound sensor. And then of course the RFID. So you have both the card to connect and you have a tag, and you also have one of these cards that you can fill up with some data and play around with. There you go.